Hi guys, I am Isa, and we're going to learn about some functions that we could use in SQL. So I'm going to go to my SQL document to create a new table. So create table employee. Oh yeah, I already have an employee table in this project. You don't have to follow this step. I'm just gonna remove the previous employee table. Okay, so now create table employee. I'm going to write ID int primary key and the first name be a varchar of 20 and the last name also going to be a varchar with the max character limit of 20, and then the gender will be a varchar with the max amount of 1, so which can either be an M or F, and then the salary, which is an int. Nice. So now we can describe employee. If I run this code, it says employee doesn't exist, so I have to actually create it by running this piece of code right here. Now, if we write describe employee, it's going to show the description of employee. So the ID, first name, last name, gender, and salary. So like, yeah. So as you can see, the ID is the primary key. Alright, so basically, I'm just going to say select all from employee. So there's nothing added into the employee right now, so we're going to add some stuff there. Alright, so I'm going to say insert into employee values. So yeah, first we need the ID, the first name, the last name, the gender, and the salary. Okay, so now that's my salary, and just gonna copy this. Okay, I know there will be four. So the IDs have to be different since the ID is the primary key, so each ID has to be unique. Okay, so I'm gonna change this gender and the salary. It's gonna change it. Alright, so now if I write now if I want to run all of these, I'm just gonna run all of them pressing shift control enter. Now I'm gonna select everything from the employee, and you'll see that I have all of them there. So now you already knew all that and stuff. So now it's time for the actual functions. That's what I was supposed to learn. So the first one is order by. So I'm gonna say order by, for example, name. First name. And so now, see that order by the first name, Hiruy, and yeah, well, it's not ordered by anything else. So look at order by the gender, but you're not quite supposed to do that. For the order by salary, it's going to show people from the highest salary to the lowest salary. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, and you can also write, instead of just writing select every single block, you can also write select like ID from employee. So you can select only the IDs. You can select the first name from the employees. You can select only the first name. You can select salary from employees. And yeah, even when you do select, you still order by salary. So yeah, no one shows the salary now. Yeah, that's cool. So yeah. So this is like every single employee. Where I'm gonna say where name is, no, the name is in okay letters. Where first name is equal to Isa. So now I'm gonna select, where the first name is Isa. We'll also use other stuff like where ID is less than 4. I'm gonna use the ones where the ID is less than 4. So I'm gonna say where, for example, name. Where salary is less than 2,000. Wait, no. It's greater than. Is less than 2,500. So it's going to show number 1, 3, and 4. You also order that by salary. And so now it's also ordered. So, yeah. We can also use the OR function. I'm going to say OR name is equal to happy. Or first name is equal to happy. So now it's going to add that to the list. But the last option is not here because, the last option is not here because it doesn't have the salary less than 2,500 or the name which equals to happy. So yeah, that's how to use the select from. Those are just some basic SQL functions. Alright, so we can also remove values from the table. So delete from employee where name is equal to where ID is equal to 5. So if I run this code and that's like everything for me. The one with the ID of 5 is gone now. So it's not really there anymore. Alright. You can also remove entire tables. Now let me just put this over here. Also remove entire tables by writing drop employee. Okay, so drop table employee. So yeah. So now if we run this command, it's gonna drop the table. So now if we run this, it's going to say that because the employee table isn't there. So now I can just recreate it by rerunning all this code. And yeah. Okay, so yeah, basically those are basic SQL functions. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.